the kind of offense that Jamie Malonzo will have here against the Bulls.
Yung athleticism nito starting Ginebra. Laking bagay ng Malonzo at ng Aguilar.
And you talked about athleticism to start this ball game. First, the rebound of Scottie Thompson, that pass, and then that slam coming from Japeth Aguilar.
And hindi na to ganun kasing applicable as before. But when he gets plays like that, dunk tapos block, Japeth usually gets bound to have a big game.
He seems to be...
About 2 minutes having been played. Aguilar na naman. This time he gets a 3-point play.
And that's a very good slide on the part of Japeth Aguilar. He knows that he's got a lot of advantage when he plays inside. Look at this.
Hindi na kailangan yung... Well, syempre gagamitin mo pa rin yung madidiin na pick and rolls. But ito, Pringle, stopping back, 3 ball, goes in.
And now 6-point lead for Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. I don't think talagang yung focus nila dito, no? Again, it's because they're up against the Meralco Bulls.
Oh yeah, there will always be. LA goes to Pringle. That's a 3 for Stanley. Pagkatapos niyang dumipensa kay O'Brien.
Yeah, all part of the early offense. It's the second time that we're going to be seeing that kind of a shot in first quarter. Nagpakita rin.
It really keeps kids busy with the right things.
So, pero ito, balikan natin. Itong pangatlong 3-point shot na ginawa dito, no? Ni Stanley Pringle. He was a savior, actually, for the San Miguel Beerman. And look at this. It's going to be the 4th 3-point shot for Stan the Man. He's got a total of 12 points to end the half for Barangay Ginebra Jenkins.
The master of ATO plays or after timeout plays, Coach Tim Gold. Mintes, Aguilar over everyone. Japeth finishing through the foul.
I like the action being done by Japeth Aguilar and the big man of Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. Really going for those offensive rebounds this time. Inside. Hindi na pumapasok si Justin Brown most of the time. So the guards, no? Tulad ni Scottie.
What a big block!
What happened here?
A big rejection by Aguilar. Pati si Pasaon napareact.
Nahiya siya. I like that reaction of Alvin Pasaon. Oh, sorry na, Chaps. Hindi ko na uulitin.
Binura yung tira, pati yata yung
8-point lead Barangay.
huli na naman doon. Yung tira ng Meralco, even though it was their import O'Brien attacking. Coach Meralco started out this third quarter so strong. See Stan? Now it's Japeth. Short jumper is good.
Napailing. Itong si... nagpauso talaga no, si Mark Kagiwa. No?
Yeah.
Yung napaka-layong half step na yon. Pero ito, hindi kailangan ng half step dito. All he has to do is protect that ball and take it strong. Stanley Pringle also scoring very well here in this ball game. Don't look now. 79-60.
Off to Pringle. Stanley, nag-invento na lang ng tira doon.
Now he can go airborne again. Off the dribble.
Oh man, that's a work of art.
I think he's almost there.
Maliksi hitting.
I'm gonna stick it out with Johnny O'Brien with this 2 losses. The decision is theirs. You know, we just really think that they might need a more explosive import.